breakfast, which is our favorite camping breakfast, and it's very simple. 3 ingredients: sausage, dried potatoes, and eggs. So this is Daddy's part of the morning job, setting up for charcoal usage in the Dutch oven. The oven preheated for 7.5 minutes and it's ready for the sausage. At Seven Sons we get their pasture raised pork breakfast sausage and it is delicious. Getting my eggs ready. Pork is beautifully browned. Flop my potatoes in. Shake them out. Easy as that. Move the pork to the top and then kind of spread it out. Dumping in my eggs. And then we have a little bit of this, salt to your taste, and we like some pepper. So I'm turning the skillet basically into an oven, and like there's a science behind this. The use of a certain number of coals and on the top versus the bottom. I don't have any clue how many coals we started with, but it was probably around 30. I'm moving coals from underneath to the top because this will create the oven effect. You are not supposed to open a Dutch oven lid until it's ready because you lose temperature, but I'm going to take a peek. So this batch of Mountain Man cooked in actually about 18 minutes, and sometimes I cook it as much as 30, so the oven must have been pretty hot. And right now I'm just going to take it off of the coals and set it to the side.